friction stir welding is a cold welding technique. It means that it does not reach the melting point of the material. Therefore, the welding temperature is essential for a defect-free quality weld. In every welding process, the quality mainly depends on its temperature. Thanks to temperature measurement, if we know the right temperature for one alloy, one thickness, we can directly act on FSW parameters to reach the temperature that we want, and therefore we obtain a good weld. In friction stir welding, there are three main parameters that affect the welding temperature. We have the forging force, expressed in kilonewton, we have the welding speed, expressed in millimeter per minute, and we have the rotational speed, expressed in RPM. Based on the FSW ISO standard 25239, three welding zones are identified. Cold welds, where the material is not sufficiently softened, an external or internal cavity can be seen on the surface of the weld. Hot welds, where the temperature reached exceeds the optimum temperature, causing the appearance of flash all along the weld, as well as wormhole inside it. And finally, sound welds, where no defect can be detected. There are many methods used to measure the temperature of the weld. One of them is the ideal choice in the industrial sector, where the thermocouple is embedded in the tool. Stirweld has developed a robust transmission system without contact between the tool and the FSW equipment. This system, used by laboratories and industrial world, measures the temperature all along the weld in real time and with high precision. This system can be implemented on the range of Stirweld FSW heads, designed to perform friction stir welding from any CNC machine. Also available for robot welding via the Stirweld FSW spindle for robot. Stirweld Smart Tool Holder is a reliable and precise system. It can replace the extremely expensive and time-consuming experimental trials and ensure a good quality. If the temperature measured is the same during each weld, it is a proof for a constant weld quality.